March 31, 2024, 5:10 in the afternoon. Mag-high tide na. Oops. Gusto naman kayo? Dito tayo nga sa seaside ulit. Lakad-lakad. Maganda sanang mag-ano eh, maligo. Mag-high tide na. Ayun na. Palabog na rin yung araw. Have a good day everyone. Please support my channel, Ronnie Motilla Vlogs. Have a good and great day to all of you.